10,000 steps is a bit of an arbitrary number. However, for many of us, getting our steps in or increasing the number of steps we get in a day is a really important fitness goal. And we can continue to work toward that goal even when we're short on space, without a treadmill, or if it's bad weather. I'm going to show you a stepping routine that can be done almost any place. Start with your feet and legs hip width apart, chest up, nice straight spine. Begin marching, swinging the opposite arm with the opposite leg. Now certainly you can decide how high you want to bring your feet off the ground. You can bring them higher for a bit more of a challenge, or lower. Go at the speed that's right for you. To perform this exercise, again, feet hip width apart, you're going to begin by raising one leg up as high as you can while maintaining good balance. As you bring it down, your arms will come up overhead, and then they come down as you raise the opposite leg. Arms up, arms down. Keep this up, again, for 10 repetitions on each side. Now, moving side to side is just as important as moving forward and backward. So let's begin the side step by taking a comfortable size step out to the side and bringing our trailing foot in to meet it. Then we'll move in the opposite direction, moving back and forth, keeping a slight bend through our knees and keeping our upper body nice and straight, chest lifted. If you have more space, you can double up. It's totally up to you. Continue on for 10 repetitions per side. I love getting a cardio sprint in, and this is a great way to do it. We're gonna go into a fast jog, but before we start, I want to make sure that your chest is up, your shoulders are squared to the wall in front of you, and you have a slight bend at your hips and your knees, keeping your core engaged and shifting some of your weight onto the balls of your feet. All right, let's go into a fast jog. Now, your feet don't have to come up too high off the ground. Remember, this isn't high knees. No, we're getting a cardio sprint in instead. If you can, speed it up just a little. You got it. And come back to that original pace. Try speeding it up once again, and then back to that original pace. Continue on with this exercise for approximately 10 to 30 seconds. Our next exercise is going to focus on the muscles in the front part of your body. We're going to do a step and push. So again, feet hip width apart, take a step forward while at the same time pushing with your upper body. Bringing your arms back, at the same time you bring your leg back. Now let's focus on one side for 10 repetitions before switching and moving with the opposite leg. As before, you'll want to continue on for 10 repetitions per leg. Let's focus on the muscles on the back of our body now. We're going to take a step backwards, almost like a reverse lunge without the actual lunge part. So as you step back, your arms will be placed in a W position. They're going to squeeze back, pinching your shoulder blades together as you step back. Squeeze and return. Let's focus on one side of our body to begin with, completing all 10 repetitions, and then switching to the other side. Now throughout this exercise, make sure to keep your core engaged and your shoulders down and relaxed.